This is how you will book your appointment through salonMonster. First, on the left-hand side, you're going to want to select Bookings. This is going to show you all of your bookings that you already have and what openings you have to book. So first, you're going to want to select the time that you want to book. So I'm actually going to choose a later date by selecting the date at the top and choosing where I would like to have this booking. Now I will select an open time. From here, I'm going to select the client that I'm booking with, so Abigail, and the service that she is getting. Now this will have all the details of the booking with this client at this time. You're going to hit save at the bottom right. Now you'll see that there is reminder options to send to your client. I'm not going to choose any, so I'm going to hit no thanks at the bottom left. And you'll be able to see that that booking is now in place.